Hey everyone, want to embed a Looker Studio report on a website? In this video, I'll show you how to embed a report step by step. First, open Looker Studio and open the report you want to embed. Make sure your dashboard is complete and ready to share. Next, click the File menu at the top and select Embed Report. This option creates a code that you can add to a website. Now enable embedding if it is turned off. Adjust the sharing settings so your audience can access the report. Copy the embed code provided by Looker Studio. This code contains the information needed to display your report on a web page. Open your website editor or content management system and paste the embed code into the page where you want the report to appear. After adding the code, preview your web page and check that the report loads correctly. Make sure charts, filters, and controls work properly. You can adjust the size and layout of the embedded report to fit your website design. Finally, save your changes and publish the page. Visitors can now view your Looker Studio report directly from your website, and that's how you embed a Looker Studio report. With embedded dashboards, you can easily share data insights with your audience in a professional way. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy technology guides.